Welcome back to my channel Gurshan Zone. Today we will do arrays computer class 10th ICSE. So what are the context? What are arrays? What is the use of arrays? How arrays are stored in the memory, index or positions, how arrays are created in Java. So first of all, what are arrays? Arrays are known as pile or collection. For example, if we take a daily life example, here we have taken a lot of books. So it become array of books. Now in computer science, array means collection of similar type of values array means collection of similar type of values. Now similar type of values, for example, we have taken variable integer, a data type integer, and the values 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. For example, they are all of similar type. They all comes in the category of integer. We cannot use any type of character value or any other data type instead of int. We have used int here, and for example, we can use character also. Char a equals to, you can write a, b, c. Like you can use any type of character, but not another value than as character. You cannot use integer in category of character. So array means collection of similar type of values. Similar means same type of values. What are the uses of arrays? For example, we have to compile or put a lot of marks of several students. Now we have to make a lot of variables too. Like if we write to store a lot of marks of several students, we have to make a lot of variables too. Now it's wastage of time. By using arrays, we can save time. Now as again, in what are arrays? Arrays means collection of similar type of values. Now here, for example, we have to store a lot of marks of several students. We have to make variables again and again, like int m1, m2. We have to make a lot of variables. Now instead of making a lot of variables, we can use arrays. Now arrays will be used once, and we can store the size as well. We will do this making of arrays, how arrays are created, in the another context here only. So now these are the uses of arrays. Now it helps in saving time and makes each and everything in continuous order. How arrays are stored in memory? Now to store arrays in memory, for example, int a equals to 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Okay. Now when you have put the value of till 7, in memory there's a box created like this. Okay. 7, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 and 7. Now here same. Here first of all 7 blocks are created. Now here you have to understand that always in arrays it starts from 0 till n minus 1. Okay. Now our last value was 7. 7 boxes. Now n is 7. 7 minus 1 till 6 will be there created. Okay, starts from 0, ends at n minus 1. Okay, now here these are the boxes. After making these boxes, we have one thing, that this 1 2 3 4 5 should be continuous. Like we cannot use 2 over here and 1 over here. It should be continuous. It can be linear as well, like 1 3 5 7 9, like odd number. It should have a series type. Okay, linear. Now moving on, index and positions. Index and position depends on these boxes only, or positions. For example, we took the variable a. Now here we will write like this: a at 1 is equal to 2. Like I put the value 1 2 3 4 5 6 7. I put the value of a at 1 is equal to 2. A at 2 is equal to 3. You can write 7 6 in these boxes, but not here. Okay, a at 3 is equal to 4. So here a is our variable, at 3 is our index, position or value, and where we input by the user, it's this. Okay, a is a variable. At 3 means position at 3 is equal to 4 or 2. You can write like this. How arrays are created in Java? There are two methods. First method is, for example, there's a value, like when the user has to input the value. Now when user have to input the value, we will write like int b, or you can take any type of variable, doesn't matter. Int b equals to new int size. Now size depends on the user. Like when we write system.println size is, and then we write variable line, and then it is a option of our user to make the size as much as he want. For example, we take as 25. Okay, like this. Now method 2 is a direct method. When you don't have any user option, user will not input, and you can input yourself. For example, int x is equal to 1 2 3 4 5, like this. Now this is a direct method, whereas this is a user method. Now here you will start from like this. You will write first of all import. You could use buffer reader or scanner class. I'm doing it buffer reader right now. Import java.io star semicolon. Okay, class abc. Okay, now here you will write public static line. First of all, I am writing it in short form, psvm public static void main string args. Now here I had done till here. You all know about it. Now here we will start with the input. We will write input. I'm writing it for your understanding here. Input in 2 slashes. Single line comment. Okay. Now here, so first of all, we will write system.println. I'm writing it in short form. Enter 10 number. For example, enter 10 number. It can be any number, 50 number, 25 numbers. Okay, enter 10 number. Now this is a choice of user to enter 10 number. Now there were two methods. First method was of user and second method was direct method. Now here user have to input 10 number. So we will write this one, method 1. So method 1, let int p, I'm writing variable as p right now, new int 10. Okay, 10 number, so that's why I'm writing it over here 10. So now after writing this, you have to use square bracket as well. Int p new int 10. Now here we will use the work work part. Now here first of all we will take for. Why for we will take? Because we have to enter 10 number. It should be continuous. So now it will be continuous if we write it in order. I equals to 0, I less than 10, I plus plus. Okay. Now here you will use same P I is equal to br dot read line. Br dot read line. Now after doing this, you will close it. Now we will go with print option. Now coming on print, first of all we will again use for, because we have to print till 10 number. So we will again do use for I equals to 1, sorry 0, because every time I told you that array start with 0 and end till n minus 1, but here we know that we have to enter 10 number, but it will be inputted till 9 because n minus 1, n is 10, 10 minus 1 is equal to 9 because it is starting with 0. So in total we have 9. Now for I equals to 0, I less than 10, same line you have to use for I. Now here system.println, and I'm writing it in short form. Okay, system.println. Here we will write p I. Here same thing will be used. When you are writing this, you can use comma as well. After each you can have comma. Okay, now this will be executed. Now if you will do it in your computer, it will be executed as in one line. All the 0 to 9 number will be executed. So today I will be giving you some homework. Please tell the answer in the comment section. So this is the homework, and you have to tell what are the values and what will come over here. Now, so at the last I would like to summarize points to remember. Array starts with 0 and ends with n minus 1. For example, n is 10. So it will start with 0 and end till n minus 1, that is 9. Okay. Similar type of values are only accepted. For example, integer category will only be accepted. No character, any other data type cannot be used in integer category or in any other category as well. Position of arrays are written in this form, like variable va. Let variable be a. So a is our variable while 2 is our position. A at 2 is equal to 3. Now 3 is the value inputted by user. Sometimes it is inputted by direct method also, that I told you 2 methods. Now but here it is inputted by user. So these were the points to remember. Thank you for watching the video.